Reporting live here at the WelderUp News. What we have apparently is allegedly a shooting going on down the street here on Las Vegas Boulevard, down in front of the Strat here at the Rukkus. We have rat rods lined up all the way down to the Sahara Boulevard, and no, it doesn't look like there's any. Well, we got a guy out here that's volunteered to yell at everybody in the intersection. You can see him over here, right here. He must be a professional walker, one of the ones, a kid crosswalker. Anyway, we don't know if we're gonna get in the show. Like I said, there's been a shooting down the street. Hey, it's Vegas, baby. You know what I'm saying? Coming to you live here on Las Vegas Strip. We'll be reporting back as soon as we know what the hell's going on. Thank you.
Good show yesterday.
It was good. It was good. We had fun.
Got your stuff all put together here so you can. I guess. What do you do?
I don't know. We weren't even ready. We fired up cars I didn't think were gonna run.
Well, we brought them. Good time. That was a nice show.
Yeah, that was very nice.
Came
You
especially.
did a good job out there.
Yeah, it was fun.
I can't imagine. Honest to God, can't imagine.
Is it going to be like you can go out to Pioneer Saloon, have lunch, then go to your place and
Yeah.
wander around?
Yeah.
Buy some
Try to
shirts.
do something fun with it. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Good.
How you doing, Mr. Steve?
I'm good. How you doing, Pat?
I am fantastic. We really appreciate you being here, buddy.
Thank you.
So, for the last couple of years, I've been able to go out on some of these big rat rod tours and seeing Steve doing stuff, and we're always really, really jealous here in our lot, okay? Thank you, City of Las Vegas. We're not allowed to do burnouts, flamethrowing, racing, dirt drags, some rat stock. Oh my God, that was amazing. So we decided to come up with something else. We decided, since we have all those rules, we decided to do a pedal car race. Why a pedal ar? To make fun of ourselves because we can't do the cool stuff. I didn't get one response, not one from anybody that brought a pedal car. What do you know about that, Steve?
I mean, they just don't make enough horsepower, I guess, for this crew. You know what I mean?
All right, now we have nobody better to run this drag race than our friends, the drag strip zombies, right over here. Give a hand, big hand for the drag strip zombies. All right, let's get you guys in place over here. Our finish line is right here. So if I can get one person on this side, straight across. It's not straight across from him. There we go. Now everybody watch your toes. You know what? I see two kids right here. They look like, do you have guts to get in this race? All right, looks like we're ready to go. Zombie's gonna start this. Let's see how it goes. Everybody ready? Here they go, they're going. He's on his run. Steve, are you ready?
Come on, let's
What do
go.
you think his time's gonna be? He's moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, through the ribbon line.
That's
Yeah.
about a 10-second quarter mile.
All right, he's gonna wait. We're gonna let the girl go next. Looks like she's gonna use the same method, Steve.
All right, let's see how she does. She's in an old classic.
Wait, hold it. We need music for this. Where's my music? There we go!
All right, hit it. Hit it in that 289. Yeah! Hit it! Yeah!
She's on
That's
the
what I'm
run!
talking about. Dang! Hell
Nice
yeah!
run!
I think the Ford whooped the Corvette's butt. You want to go race the car? Okay, go get in line.
Go get in line, there you go.
This is my granddaughter right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's my little baby right there. She's ready. Yeah, she knows what to do.
All right. Let her, there we go, he's going. Wait,
Give her a push.
here we go.
Get it, girl.
Oh, she got it.
Good job.
She's doing the Flintstones.
Yeah, go, girl.
She's doing the Flintstones, even
Yeah,
better.
good
Look at
job.
her.
How you doing?
Yeah. Keep it going.
Woo! Yeah. Good job.
Hot dog.
Yeah. There we go.
On the run.
Look at that face.
Yeah, all right, there we go. What's that boy been drinking? All right, everybody, thank you very much. That was a ton of fun. And thank you, everybody, for having fun with the Junkyard Pirates, even though we don't get to do the big, nasty burnout stuff.
You know how it goes. We need to just start doing it. You didn't hear that from me. I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
All right, Steve, thank you for being up here and joining me with this. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Awesome. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Nothing yet? Yeah, we're going. We're going. Just watch your gauge. Give me like a gallon or more. You know what? Give me 3 gallons. It's only $15 a gallon. Yeah, we might head out. There's a bunch of people that got to go. We got to get some guys back to Utah. We got to load cars. We got a tire going flat on a car. Whoa! We had to steal some gas from Bad Rat Garage. This is how we do it. We weren't really prepared today.
Cheap ass.
One way to get some free gas. But this shit's like $15 a gallon gas, so.
How much you got? Hey, you know what? I would do anything for this guy. Almost. Wait a minute. Let me rephrase that.
He already has. I need 100 grand cash.
100 bucks? I got
100 grand.
You want 100 bucks? That's all?
You're a 100-aire. I'm a
I'm
1,000-aire.
Yeah.
You're a 1,000-aire.
No.
Is that it or what? What are we doing? Yeah, that'll get us home, Paul. We're done. We're out of here. See you next year at the Rukkus. We don't know where it's going to be for sure. Hopefully back in the parking lot. If not, we'll do it at my place. See you then.